Somewhere in a quiet suburban neighborhood, a young mind is about to discover that the most magical things can be made with the simplest material. Inside that house, a 7-year-old named Leo faces a problem that has frustrated artists for generations. It's Grandma's birthday tomorrow, and a plain drawing just won't cut it. Leo wants to create something extraordinary. But Leo doesn't know it yet. Today, she's about to meet someone who will show her that science is the ultimate superpower. His name is Eris, and he carries possibility in his pockets. Inside, Leo's mom hears the doorbell. She doesn't know that today's visitor is about to change everything.
Hey, I was in the neighborhood and remembered Leo asking about making things glow at the science fair last month. Thought I'd drop something off.
Upstairs, Leo hears voices. She abandons her blank paper and races down to investigate.
Heard you're making a card for Grandma. Want to make it shine?
Wow. Kitchen table, all yours. I'll be right here if anyone needs a snack.
Every great experiment starts with gathering the right ingredients. For a paper circuit, the ingredients are simpler than you think. Copper tape. It looks simple, but this sticky strip is actually a superhighway for electricity. Next, the star of the show, the LED, smaller than your thumbnail, but capable of creating light for 100,000 hours.
But here's the secret. LEDs have feelings. One leg is happy, one leg is grumpy, and they only work if you treat them right.
This is a grown-up job. These batteries are not toys. If we have a rule, only grown-ups touch the battery until it's time to put it in.
Deal.
We also need a foundation, something to build on. Today, that's plain white cardstock.
But this is for Grandma. It has to be perfect.
And finally, the tools of the trade. Clear tape to hold things in place, a pencil for planning, and a binder clip that will become our secret weapon. Now we have everything we need. Copper, light, power, paper, and tools. The question is...
I know what I want to build.
Leo grabs her crayons. She's been thinking about this since she saw the glow. Grandma's card needs something special, something that shines.
The light goes right there. The sparkle spot. Perfect.
First step, planning the path. Electricity needs a road to travel on. 2 roads, actually. One there and one back home. These tracks have to stay separate. If they touch, the electricity takes a shortcut and the light never turns on. That's called a shorts allowed. Now for the copper. This shiny tape is our conductive road. But laying it down takes patience.
Like that?
Perfect. Now the second track, right next to the first but never touching, like 2 best friends walking side by side. The road needs to turn a corner. If we cut the tape, we break the path, so we need a different trick. Fold, don't cut. Leo's turn. She takes a deep breath and tackles the corner.
Yes.
Now both tracks are laid. 2 shiny copper roads running from the sparkle spot to the power zone.
Happy foot, grumpy foot.
Happy foot on the left track, grumpy foot on the right. The legs must touch the copper to complete the connection. Now we lock it in place. A tiny piece of tape over each leg keeps everything connected.
Grown-up job, remember?
I remember.
To make the battery connect, we need a special trick. A copper flap that will hold the battery in place. The LED is in place. The copper roads are ready. Now we need a power station. The moment of truth. Eris slides the battery into its house. And then... Leo's face says everything words cannot.
I did it!
You did it, Leo!
Oh, sweetie.
But there's one problem. The light won't turn off. If we leave it like this, the battery will drain overnight.
Oh no, we need it for Grandma.
We need a switch, something that can open and close the circuit, and we have the perfect tool.
Oh, I get it!
The binder clip becomes our switch. When it's open, the circuit breaks. When it's closed, the light shines. Leo takes over. She practices making her son blink. Now the card is complete. A hand-drawn sun with a real, glowing sparkle, controlled by a simple click.
Grandma's going to love it.
The sun sets on a day of discovery, but tomorrow, the real magic begins.
The car is packed. Grandma's house awaits.
My card!
The drive. Leo watches the world go by, but her mind is on the moment Grandma sees the light. Grandma's house. A cozy cottage with a garden full of flowers. The kind of place where love lives.
There's my favorite scientist.
Leo runs into Grandma's arms. The card is safe in one hand, held behind Grandma's back as they hug. Inside, cake on the counter, presents on the table, family everywhere.
Oh, a lovely scarf. And some candles, how nice. And a photo frame.
I made it myself, Grandma. It's special.
Oh, sweetheart, I can see nothing. Leo, this is beautiful. You drew the sun.
That's not all, Grandma. Look at the sparkle. Touch the sparkle.
The sparkle?
She presses gently.
Oh, my sweet girl, you made light.
I made it for you, Grandma.
Nods, happy tears. The kind that come when love and science combine.
Whoa! Let me see! Press it again!
Grandma holds the card close to her heart. The light pulses gently with her heartbeat.
Later, the card finds its home on Grandma's mantelpiece, where she can see it every day. Sometimes, late at night, Grandma presses the sparkle, just to see the light, just to remember.
All because a 7-year-old asked a question. All because someone showed her how. Let's break down what made the magic work. First, the power source. This coin cell battery stores chemical energy. When it's connected, that energy flows as electricity. First, the power source. This coin cell battery stores chemical energy. When it's connected, that energy flows as electricity. First, the power source. This coin cell battery stores chemical energy. When it's connected, that energy flows as electricity. Third, the load. The LED converts electricity into light, but only if the electrons flow in the right direction. Happy foot to positive, grumpy foot to negative. Fourth, the switch. The binder clip lifts the copper flap, breaking the circuit. No connection, no light. Press it down, connection restored, light returns. That's a circuit, a complete loop. Power out, through the LED, and back home. Break the loop, stop the light. That's a circuit, a complete loop. Power out, through the LED, and back home. Break the loop, stop the light. Leo didn't just make a card, she built a circuit. She learned about polarity, conductivity, and switches. She became an engineer. And the best part? Anyone can do this. You don't need a lab, you don't need expensive equipment. So what will you make shine? A star? A rocket? A smile? The circuit is waiting. This is Eris from Atomix signing off. Remember, every risk with speed building, and never stop asking, what if?